So this is how you change your cabin filter. First, you need to locate where is your cabin filter. For my Mackie, which is actually normal now for Ford or any vehicle, it's actually behind this glove box. Open this one, and then push this right here. Push it inboard and see on the other side. And you do have this one right here. Pull that out forward. It's a little bit right there. Easy. And that's where you go. That's where your cabin filter is. You're on top right here. See this one? That one. Just have to push that away. This one too. You can just put it from the top. There we go, and you see the cabin filter. Remember, you guys need to put it the same way you put out. Look at this. That's steady. Yep. What you need to do is grab your new one. This one's brand new. That I used the original one. Just this one. That's a part number. And you just put back over and snap like that. Make sure it's down. It's close. You need to snap this back. That and for that two tight one is going to bring it up. Open and it's done. Easy as 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute.